Some places you just visit. Others, you feel with your soul. If you are looking for a place where time stands still and peace fills your soul, your search ends here. Welcome to Luang Prabang, Laos. Let's first take a brief look at the itinerary. Your 4-day adventure begins the moment you land. Your private guide greets you at the airport and escorts you straight to your hotel. Take the rest of the day at your own pace. Sip a refreshing drink at a riverside cafe, or take a gentle stroll along the Mekong. Let the slow and charming rhythm of the city wash away all your travel fatigue. Day 2 is all about culture and lifestyle. Start your morning exploring the historic Royal Palace Museum and iconic temples like Wat Xiengthong, famous for its sweeping low roofs. After a delicious local lunch, dive deeper into ethnic traditions at the Arts and Ethnology Center. Visit the weaving villages of Xiengthong and try your hand at a traditional loom. Finish your day wandering through the vibrant local night market under a sea of lanterns. On day 3, step aboard a traditional boat for a scenic ride up the Mekong River. Stop at Ban Giang Hai Village to see local rice whiskey production, then marvel at thousands of golden Buddhas tucked inside the sacred Pak Ou Caves. After enjoying a traditional Laotian lunch featuring orlam soup, head to the stunning Kuang Si Waterfall. Visit the rescued bears at the sanctuary, then take a refreshing swim in the turquoise pools. Unwind completely with a traditional Lao spa treatment before resting for the night. Rise early on your final day for a truly spiritual experience. At 5 in the morning, witness the sacred morning almsgiving ceremony and receive a peaceful blessing from the monks. As the sun rises, catch breathtaking panoramic views from the top of Mount Phousi. Enjoy a final breakfast at your hotel before your guide escorts you to the airport. Your unforgettable journey in Laos comes to an end, but the memories will stay forever.